We're here today to talk about integration of the IND360 running rate control and an EtherCAT PLC. Remember that when using EtherCAT on your IND360, you need to use the second industrial Ethernet port. The first step for the integration between the back-off PLC and the IND360 rate control is to download the sample code from the METTLER Toledo website, mt.com. You can search for IND360 and under downloads you can find the EtherCAT application sample code. Once you have it downloaded, you are able to open the program using TwinCAT. So after opening the program, you can navigate to System and select your PLC as target PLC for this project. In case you are using the same topology that we used for the sample code, which is the IND360 directly connected to the PLC, you can navigate to IOs, Devices, and under the EtherCAT Master Device 1, you can check if you are using the correct adapter and reload the online devices. If your IND360 is correctly configured, you will be able to see some live values. Here we can open the application program and see on the block rate control continuous how the parameters should be set and read from the rate control application. We can start and stop the application, set different values as target for the flow rate, change the operation mode and read the target flow rate, current control variable, and weight value. From the PLC side, there is no limit on the parameters to be set. That means if we set a value outside the limits of the IND360, this is going to trigger an application alarm that can be seen on the sample code. The first step before running the application would be to run a system identification. This part should be done on the web server where we can have a good visualization of all parameters that can be set. And after this, we are able to go live on the PLC and then operate the system. A big advantage of using the PLC interface is that you are able to change the target flow rate during the operation. So let's try it out with our setup. I'm going to trigger the start command from our sample code, and you can see that the system will start operating. Once we reach our target flow rate, we can go there and change this flow rate to a different value. Let's set up 80. Once we do that, we can see that the target flow rate was changed and the current flow rate will follow this value.